Hey guys, we are over here at Street Eats, and we have some good news for everybody out there that likes Budweiser. Check this out. We have Budweiser on tap here at Poppy's Bar and Chill Street Eats.
The only restaurant.
The only place in town, yeah.
Yes, has Budweiser.
The only bar in town that I've been told that has Budweiser on draft.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a
Of course, we got
My
Stella.
best friend.
Your best friend Stella's on draft too. So yeah, we also have some Weiss beer, Love beer. I know I'm probably butchering that, but there's some two good German beers here. We got the Love beer, and then we got a Braupacht blonde ale as well. So some good German beer choices as well. So yes, we finally got this whole beer situation settled over here.
Finally.
We've been through all kinds of trouble getting this thing working right. I'll tell you, I want to show you what we did. So we partnered up with this German beer company that's selling us this, and they happen to have a unit that's kind of like this Sapporo over here, which we've had for a while, and people love this. A little freestanding unit here that services four kegs. So we just made this a big cabinet to hold all of our beers, and this thing does a great job chilling it. It's ice cold, guys.
Yeah, it's very cold.
And it's not a problem anymore.
No,
finally.
Yeah.
So all you guys that came over here to get some draft beer, and we had a warm beer ice chest, whatever you want to call it, kegerator, that's what that is. So we had a warm kegerator about half the damn time we've been open, but now we've got to figure it out. But yeah, Budweiser, Stella, Snyder Love beer, Braupacht blonde ale. We got Sapporo, we have Sapporo Black, and then we have Sapporo Premium, regular Sapporo beer. If you like beer, this is the place to go, guys. If you like food, this is the place to come eat, right?
Right.
Yeah, we got all kinds of good, delicious food here as well. This gentleman's been here every day, just eating and drinking. Don't put you on camera, what?
Huh?
You're caught.
Oh no, again?
You're caught again.
Second one.
So what are you drinking there?
Cranberry juice.
Just cranberry juice, no vodka?
No.
Oh, okay. He said he's liking the fraps. He's prone to having to get in the fraps. Now you're doing your own YouTube channel, you said.
Yes.
So tell everybody the name of your channel.
Paul S. Past and present in history.
Paul S. Past and present in history. All right, everybody, go to see his channel. He's doing some videos here on Walking Street, and you're going to Thailand soon.
Yes.
So-
October 2nd.
So you're on the way to Thailand next, and you're going to be busting out some videos there.
Yes.
All right. So are you busting out a video right now?
Yes.
Oh, I see. You're being a little sneaky about it.
We have a movie going on.
You got a little. Oh, you're just watching TV.
Yes.
Oh, so you're not really making a video. You're just watching TV. Hint, hint.
Yeah.
Well, you know, there's been some problems in the past with some of our neighbors not liking videos taken of them. Nobody's ever said anything to me, but this gentleman said somebody got him the other day because he was in here doing some videography, and they didn't like it too much, huh?
That's right.
So you stayed clear of the drama. So now you're just doing it on the sly.
Yeah. We're watching a movie.
Got your spy cam going. All right, guys, go check his channel out, guys. Get him going.
Thanks, Eric.
Hey guys, we are here at a home. We've been looking for these houses for a while, and we ran across this one. It's very unique. I'm going to show it to you now. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's different.
We are here with Amor, and she's going to be our agent to show us this place. And this is over in Hensonville, a familiar spot area that we've lived in for a while, and we like it in Hensonville. What street is this exactly? What is the name of this road? Do you know?
It's a pilot street.
Sapalit?
Yes, a pilot street.
Apalit. Okay, so we're on Apalit Street.
It's a wide road.
It is wide. Yeah, this is a little off street. If you go down to the end here, that's Reichtoven. and take a right, and you go back into where Zeppelin is, and to the left is the Pampang Market. So this is off out there where we call like Chickenville, right? You drive through Chickenville and you turn off here on this street here, and we're gonna go in. It's got some landscaping here. It's pretty cool, little grassy area out front. Got its wall here, privacy wall, of course. Got some palm trees. Now this hasn't been lived in for a while, and they just decided to lease it, and it's for sale. So it was up for sale for a while, and now
I assume this is in California.
Elk Grove Nissan plate frame here on the entryway gate. So this was originally for sale, and now it's for lease and sell. And we're going to take a look before we tell everybody how much. This has actually got a little yard. Not too many places in town have a front yard. And got some plants here. Like I said, nobody's lived here for a while, so it's been a little bit, it's not bad. The grass isn't, somebody's been cutting the grass. But it's got somewhat of a little yard here, which is unique. You don't find that too often here. And actually the house next door, this gets closed off, but this is his daughter's, the owner's daughter's home, and nobody lives here. But yeah, I didn't even look around the back or anything here. So let's look around the front. Let's go into the front. It's 2 stories. We're gonna go into the front and look at the downstairs first, see what it's got. Got a little carport, little covered area. This all can be taken out, tables and chairs and stuff, and cleaned out and used for your car to park. Kind of blocks off over here.
Drain too, in case the water rain.
Oh yeah, you do have a drain down through the side here. Yeah, got a little gutter system here. Let's see what we got in here. So you got a living room area. It comes with what you see in it. If you so it's semi-furnished. It looks like. Got a stereo system in here. Got some old Bose speakers. Check that out.
The owner lives in California, right?
Yes, he lived in Sacramento, I think he said, for a while. Filipino owner. Got a gas stove, stovetop. They did say they were going to put a real fridge in here instead of this little beer fridge. So basically, you got the sink area and you got your gas stove top here. No upper cabinets. And then you got a bathroom here. Let's see what this looks like. Got a bamboo roof in the bathroom. Yeah, just needs a little clean up. Nice and roomy. Then you go down here and you got a bedroom. This is big, actually. Yeah. You could easily put a king-size bed in here. And what kind of windows are these? They look like they're fairly new-looking windows.
Yeah, American windows.
American windows? Sliders with screens. Yeah, they have screens. They look like they're new. Nice new windows. Thick glass. Anyway, this is a big area for a master, actually.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Got a little desk here. If you want it, it'll stay.
200 square meters.
How much?
That area. 200 square meters.
200 square meters, Amor says. Yeah, we got another bathroom and a shower right here in the master. This one's in a little better shape than the other one. Needs a lot less. It's all tiled, floor to ceiling, hot water heater, nice new shower set. Got a nice big vent. Man, right above the toilet too. Take care of business and get it right out of here. So that's cool. I like this master, it's huge. So basically, downstairs is a master, giant bedroom, 2 bathrooms, and a kitchen, and a very suitable living room area. Perfect. Perfect spot to hunker down in here. I like it. Nice heavy door. All right, we're gonna take a look upstairs now. Mercy, after you.
All right, let's go.
We're gonna go see what the upstairs. Now you have to go outside to get upstairs. There's no entryway from the indoor bottom level to the outside upstairs here. You got to go up these steps. Got proper handrails. Oh wow, check this out. This.
Look, check the ceiling.
Haha. Yes, all totally bamboo. And what is this?
Nice time you put your fan here. You lay down here.
Yeah,
You can sleep here.
all this bamboo.
It's like you're in the city, but it's like you're like in the province, but you're in the city.
Sawali.
Now that's made out of rattan or bamboo.
Bamboo. Bamboo yun.
Yeah, it's a different kind of bamboo.
Right. Very cool. Even the floors.
Filipino bamboo.
They're creaky, but they're strong.
Yeah, it's strong.
Yeah, the floors make noise because you're walking on bamboo. This is like
There's always a lot of people
100%.
coming here because it's like a meeting place.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you have a little party up here?
Yes, most
I can see
likely
that.
it's party place.
It's a party place.
This is very cool. And you overlook here. Here's your yard. You got the neighbors. There's like a bed space rental place across the street. The neighborhood's not too bad, actually. You got some nice looking homes right around you. You get down further up the street, it's a little more rustic.
House.
That almost reminds me of something Japanese or Oriental.
This one.
The window coverings and the doors here.
Call it capis.
Capice?
Yes.
All right. Well,
This is from Romblon. Yeah.
let's take a look inside.
Yeah.
Let's go in. And more of the same. We got the bamboo. Cool. Very cool. Maybe we can turn the light on. Maybe give me a better view of things. There we go. Anyway, you got some really neat stuff going on over here. Looks like a planter shelf out here outside this window. Again, these windows, they're all like updated windows. Updated windows,
So it's okay to
sliders.
Yes.
Get some air in here. All this opens up, and you look over here. There's another bathroom. So this place has 3 bathrooms. There we go. This one's set up pretty nicely as well. Then you got another place. Here's a bedroom. Got an air con for the bedroom. Got some windows that open up. Very cool. You get the air in. No screens on these though, but it doesn't matter. You have the air con up here. Got the window unit in the wall here. I'm sure it cools this off pretty good. Even the floors up here, it's all bamboo. Very different. Now I haven't seen a place like this yet. This is the first one of a kind rental like this that I've seen. Very unique. It has promise. It has promise if you want to have a normal apartment downstairs and then come up here and you're like in the province all of a sudden. So it's like you have 2 different places.
And one.
If this upstairs had a kitchen, you could rent both spots.
That's what exactly what I said.
If this upstairs had a little kitchen, you could have both spots and rent 2 different places. Yeah. Well, this yard is a very nice element. You don't find a lot of homes with yards.
Oh yeah.
Can't say that enough. It's just you got a pet, you got a dog. They got a place to walk out here without having to walk them down the street all the time. It's not a big yard, but it's something, and it's more than most places offer here. So what's it going to cost to rent this place monthly?
The monthly rate for lease is 30,000.
Is there going to be any kind of a lease time agreement?
1 year.
A 1 year agreement?
1 year
Is it
contract.
some
It's
people?
minimum.
1 year's minimum. I was going to say if you did a 6-month option or not.
I will see. We'll ask the owner.
It's okay. So
really needed. But,
it's possible negotiable then.
Yeah, no, the 30,000, it's actually 35,000 on those before.
Okay, but the lease time is a negotiable time. You might accept less than 1 year.
The contract is 1 year.
Okay.
So let's see if it's the owner possible accept.
Some people don't want to commit to a whole year.
Yeah, okay.
So people
Maybe
watching the
it's
video,
negotiable.
yeah, some people watching this video might say,
Yeah.
you know what, I'm coming for 6 months and then I'm leaving, and then they won't even use this as an option.
Okay.
But if you give them an option to, yeah, maybe six, negotiable, then you might get more bites.
Yes.
Yeah, more.
And it's also for sale. So what's your sale price?
The selling price is 6.8.
6.8 million.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
It's a clean title.
okay.
Yeah, no
It's
problem.
clean title, ready to go.
200
If you want to buy
square meters.
something, 200 square meters.
Yes.
It's a nice size lot. It's got the yard, like I said.
Semi-commercial, I think it's a semi-commercial.
Very unique with all the bamboo.
Yeah, it's
I haven't seen anything like this. Looks like a nice roof system as well.
And it's already treated,
It's all treated, all this wood,
Treated. All
of it.
wood.
so no chance
No
you
leakage or anything?
Termites, no termite problems.
No termites.
no termites because it's treated.
Well, very good, guys. I appreciate it. I'll put your information on the bottom of the screen
Yes,
for everybody to see if they're interested to contact you directly.
Yeah, okay.
So you're going to get a bunch of phone calls after people see this.
So
I
get
gotta
ready.
get ready.
And I get a big commission. Hey guys, I know it's been a while since we posted a video. We've been
We'll be
really busy.
with a lot of projects.
But we are still looking at homes, and if we take it, we'll take it and we'll tell you we took it. But if not, it'll still be here. You can call on it, and they might say, you know what, Poppy got that place. It's not available anymore. You never know. But I'll show you guys what we're looking at as we look at homes that seem pretty cool. This place is cool and unique.
Yes,
So
it's unique.
this,
It is in the main road.
it is really
Yes,
in
that's the main
Hensonville.
road.
Really nice in Hensonville.
Yes.
Close to everything. It's real close to the Drake. If we do take this place, it's not 10 minutes away. And so, yeah, I like it. No swimming pool, no gym, but you have a front yard.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all your comments. We'll see you on the next video.
See ya.